Do you ever feel like your English sounds too basic, even though you know the words? Native speakers often use different, more natural phrases in daily conversations. In this video, you'll learn 20 smart alternatives to everyday expressions that will instantly boost how fluent and confident you sound. Let's dive in and upgrade your English, one phrase at a time. Instead of saying calm down, try this, take it easy. It's a softer, more relaxed way to tell someone to stay calm. Native speakers often use this phrase to show empathy and avoid sounding harsh. When you want to motivate someone without sounding rude, say get off your couch instead of don't be lazy. It's playful, encouraging, and gets the message across with a smile. Feeling unsure, instead of saying I'm confused, try I'm puzzled. It sounds more thoughtful and expressive, and adds depth to your communication. Nervous before an event, rather than saying I'm nervous, use I have butterflies in my stomach. It's a beautiful visual phrase that sounds fluent and emotional. If you're extremely busy, say I'm tied up instead of I'm very busy. It's concise, native, and sounds much more natural in everyday conversations. Instead of bluntly saying, stop wasting time, try stop beating around the bush. This idiom asks someone to be direct without sounding aggressive. When you're unsure about something, say I'm on the fence instead of I'm not sure. It paints a vivid picture of indecision and is a favorite among native speakers. Heading out, say let's hit the road instead of let's go. It's energetic and brings a sense of adventure to even ordinary trips. If you need someone to wait briefly, don't say wait a moment, say hang on a sec. It's friendly, informal, and fits perfectly in casual settings. Taking responsibility, say I'll take care of it instead of I'll handle it. It shows confidence, dependability, and feels warm and proactive. When something feels unfair, say that's not right instead of that's not fair. It sounds more mature, thoughtful, and less emotional. To downplay a small issue, say it's not a big deal instead of it's not important. It helps calm situations and sounds more comforting. Impressed by someone's good fortune, say you hit the jackpot instead of you're so lucky. It adds fun and excitement to your compliment. If you're in a hurry and want someone to move faster, try shake a leg instead of hurry up. It's light-hearted and sounds much friendlier. Astonished by something amazing, instead of I'm impressed, say I'm blown away. It expresses stronger emotion and sounds completely natural. When you forget something, don't just say, I don't remember. Say it slipped my mind. It sounds casual and conveys that it was a simple oversight. Giving someone the choice, say it's up to you instead of it's your decision. It's direct, empowering, and avoids sounding forceful. When you're ready, say I'm all set instead of I'm ready to go. It's short, clear, and shows confidence. Surprised by something unexpected, say it caught me off guard instead of I was very surprised. It adds emotion and a sense of realism to your reaction. That's it, now you have 20 advanced phrases that make your English sound more fluent. Expressive and native-like, keep practicing. Keep using them and you'll see the difference in your confidence and conversations.